in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create an app using Blackbox AI. So first, you will start by logging into your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. And in the prompt bar, which is right here, you will enter something like build a to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you can start by typing something like that, and then Blackbox will instantly return the complete structure: HTML for layout, CSS for design, and JavaScript for logic. So it might take a while if your version is outdated or you have a weak Wi-Fi connection, so you just have to wait for it. And then you will have to copy the code and paste it into your code editor, and then you will save each part in the appropriate format: HTML, that's CSS, and JS, and so on. And then open the HTML file in your browser to test the app. If you need to customize features like adding checkboxes or saving data, you will just prompt Blackbox again with a follow-up like add local storage support, and then Blackbox will give you a new snippet to paste in. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.